Hey guys, and welcome to a brand new project update video, and in this video we're going to be covering some of the changes I've made to Stardust Engine. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So before we start right here, one of the things I want to cover is that I was not able to make a Minecraft PSP update today, mainly for the fact that I had a 4-hour exam and it is full-on exam week, so I have another 2 exams this week, which isn't going to be very much optimal. But ahead of the upcoming game jam, I'm going to be working a lot more on Stardust Engine and finishing out the 2D componentry. So what I did today was I worked on tile maps. Tile maps are a simple way of adding tiles into basically a free-floating sort of format, but ideally it would be a grid. Of course, this tile map structure allows you to group a bunch of different tiles together and build it up into this one big map which you can render to the screen at an exact moment. For this I needed texture atlasing, which I added into the Stardust Engine, and I also added a bunch of basic features here for the tile map itself. So you can add individual tiles which are going to be stored and tracked. Basically you can update said tiles alongside things like that. It's automatically memory managed, so the only thing you really need to worry about is creating the tiles. After you've created the tiles and put them into the game, the tile map itself will handle all of the memory. So these tile maps basically are completely filled up with all the data, and then you can build the map in order to display it. Same thing goes for updating tiles. If you want to update specific tiles, those are going to have to go ahead and deal with update tile, and then once you do that you have to rebuild the map again for the changes to take effect. This way we can be relatively lightweight on sort of the things that we have to do, and this actually allows the tile map to be a lot more efficient, because basically we're drawing a bunch of sprites together in one draw call. Now the thing with this is that obviously all the textures have to be on a texture atlas. Also added animated tile maps, which are really just an extension of the already existing tile maps, but allows certain tiles to be animated. These animated tiles can then go ahead and basically have tick updates performed on each of them, which just manually selects them and then changes their setup sort of texture range for the range that they were already preset for in the tile animation structure. This is a lot more convenient than doing something like manually going ahead and copying textures into VRAM and stuff like that, and it's a lot more efficient way of doing things. Also added layering to the tile maps, so basically you can have tiles on different layers. So for example, if you want to have like an edge sprite of something that goes across as an overlay, that's also going to be added. I went ahead and did all of this because of the upcoming game jam, and I really want to go ahead and finish up a lot of the changes I want for Stardust Engine by that time. One of the things that I really wanted to do also was adding tile rotations. So basically you can rotate individual tiles, and this is really just a vertex specific sort of process. This also still applies for animated textures as well, as it's just a basic functionality. So in the upcoming sort of week, I'm going to be doing some more stuff like calling and optimization, finally fleshing out the UI system a lot more, including physics, alongside physics with tile maps and character controllers. With basically you have your top down and your side scroller sort of models, and both of those are going to be able to be having their own controllers with a controller animation as well. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys later.